guys, if you're here, you got this problem wrong, so let's work it out. I'm going to draw my line down my inequality symbol. I don't flip it this time because my variable is on the left and my symbol is over here, so I don't have to flip it. So I'm going to solve this like normal. I'm going to subtract 8 to both sides. Now that cancels out, so I'm going to do 2 minus 8 over here. Keep, change, 2 plus -8. My signs are different, so that means I'm going to subtract 8 minus 2. That gets me 6. Keep the sign of the bigger number, which is 8, so it's -6. Bring down my symbol, and now I have x over -2. Now x over -2 just means divide by -2. So the opposite of division is multiplication. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to multiply that 2 to both sides. Now you got to make sure you bring that negative with you. If you don't, it will be wrong. Okay? Now I have 1x, and 6 times 2 is 12, and they were both negative, so my answer is going to be positive. Now I'm going to flip my symbol because I multiplied by a negative number. And there's 2 reasons to flip the symbol. If you don't know them, write them down right now. Number 1, when x is on the right. Number 2, when you multiply or divide by a negative. Okay, now we didn't need to flip it initially because x was on the left, but we did need to flip it this time because we multiplied by a negative number. Make sure you're aware of that. I'm really worried about that on the test. I think a lot of kids will mix this up because they won't remember that when they divided or multiplied by a negative number, they also needed to flip their sign. Okay.